In today's video, we're going over how to fix the one side not working issue on your Lenovo Thinkplus earbuds. If one earbud suddenly stops working, don't worry. There are several simple steps you can try before assuming they're broken. Start by checking the charging case. Place both earbuds into the case one at a time and look for the charging indicator. If one earbud doesn't show a light, it may not be seated properly. Adjust it gently and make sure the charging case has enough power. Next, inspect the charging contacts. These small metal points at the bottom of each earbud can collect dust or oil over time. If they look dirty, clean them with a dry cloth or a cotton swab dipped lightly in rubbing alcohol. Even a little debris can stop an earbud from charging, which often causes one side to stop working. If your earbuds often drain unevenly, that can also cause syncing issues. Try fully charging both earbuds together, then use only one earbud for a short time before returning it to the case. After that, take both earbuds out again and test them together to see if the audio balance returns to normal. If the problem continues, reset the Bluetooth connection. Go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and forget the earbuds, then reconnect them as if pairing for the first time. You can also test them with a different phone or device to rule out issues with your main device. Another useful fix is fully draining both earbuds. Play music until the batteries run completely empty, then place them back into the case and charge them to 100%. After charging, reconnect them to your phone and test again. This power cycle can often resolve internal sync glitches. If none of these steps work, the issue may be hardware related. In that case, check whether your earbuds are still under warranty and contact Lenovo support for repair or replacement options.